Hello and welcome to this video. Particularly, this is going to be a guide video in which I'll help you understand how you can use this particular budget tracker in very effective way. So, starting with, we'll see the different tabs that we have. So, one tab we have for annual dashboard in which you can see some insights, and followed with the months tab from Jan to December that we'll see later how we can use that. Then we have one for emergency fund, then one for detail, and we have two hidden tabs which are used just for the purpose to make this sheet work, so that need not to be touched. The first most important thing is the details tab, where you can fill in all your main category and the category tab based on your own personal requirements. Like the main category should be here and the other category should be in front of that, and opposite. In the same manner you can go for different headings like from income to savings and investment. Then emergency funds cannot be seen on all the monthly tabs, so you have a separate tab for this. So moving forward, as soon as you update this list, they'll get updated in the drop downs which are over here. So you just need to focus on the category column. Main income category or main expense category will automatically get updated based on your selection in the categories tab. Like we have a formula that will fetch the data from the details tab. You have options like you can have 12 incomes in a month. If that exceeds, you need to, this tracker won't be helpful in that case. Same like we have for expense 50 rows. Same goes with bills, saving and investment and debt. And the main thing is you can choose your own currency format. Just go to the format, and in number you have currency options, and you can customize your currency if there is something apart from dollar. uh, so we have few insights on the top as well, like for income you can see the distribution, like from where your income is coming in a more graphical or interactive way. Same goes with expenses. Then the bills, for bills we have total number of bills, like we have given 10 rows for that. You can have 10 bills in a month and you'll see how many you have paid. So for paid, the thing is we have check boxes. As soon as you check a box, that will be counted as paid. So just make sure you tick the box once you pay the bill. Otherwise just keep it unchecked. Like we have $80, and as I check this box, it will convert to 150 because the $70 get added. And just make sure if you don't have anything in the line item, just don't check the box, otherwise it will get counted. So that's something you need to take care of. And all the monthly tabs are the same. You can see the income for the month on the top, expense, total bills amount that you have paid, and the total debts that you have. Then moving forward to emergency tab. In this you can track all your emergency expenses. So as same like you did in income expenses, you have to update your emergency expense categories. Then you can see in under this drop down, and you can select any one out of it, like just say home repair, and you can just double click on this particular month column and you'll see a calendar in which you can choose any date after 1st January 2024 till 28th of December 31. So that's something you can do on your own, and this is your planned, like anything you can put. And this, let's say we have 400, so the 100 is excess. This tab you don't need, this column F you don't need to touch. This will be formula generated. So like when you have excess, it can be seen. Normally if there is shortage of money, like you have used more than what you have planned, and you'll be having negative value which can be seen under a bracket. And coming to the annual dashboard, like income versus expense, the total income for different month will be compared with the expenses of the month, and you can see on the line, orange line denotes the expenses and the blue line denotes the income. Same with the savings, like you don't have anything to compare, so you can see how much you have saved in different months, and this will can be seen using the charts. Same goes with bill. And for top 5 expenses, you can just choose from any of the month. Like I want to see for January what are the top 5 expenses that I had. So you can just use this particular drop down, and that can be changed using this particular drop down months. And yeah, here you can see the income for all the months that are completed. Like if I have completed till May, so I can see the sum of income till January to May. Same goes with expenses, debts, and savings. And in January tab, you have option to change the year, like from 2024 to 2025, 26, 27, and 28. And you don't have such option in any of the other tabs. So January tab, once you make change over here, you can see it getting changed on all the sheets. And these things also be highlighted with red because these are for January, and you need to change it for February. Sorry, it's for 2024 and you need to shift to 2025. So you need to just select everything and delete and reset and start from the starting. So this is something you need to take care of. That's it for this video, and if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us. That's it. Yeah.